Welcome to this YouTube channel. Today we're gonna look at how we use the AND function, all function, and the if function in Google Sheets. So to demonstrate that, I have a wonderful example here that shows the expense, actual spent, the budget, absolute variance, percentage variance. Absolute variance is got by the budget minus the actual, meaning that if you get negative, you have overspent, and if it is positive, you have underspent. The same applies to the percentage variance. Then the last column here, we have the department. What do we want to accomplish in this example? We want to flag either bad or good, and we're going to flag bad if both the absolute variance and the percentage variances are less than 0. At the same time, if the department is finance or HR, what we are saying is if HR and finance should not have negative variances. So we need to have all the three conditions met for us to say bad. Other cases, if operations and even if these are negatives, it will still flag as good. So we have a long list of expenses here, as you can see, and if you're gonna do that manually, you're gonna spend a lot of time, and that's why it is important to understand these functions, how they work, and therefore apply them. So starting off with the basics, the AND function, what does it do? Tests one or more conditions, and all of them have to be true for it to return true. As long as one returns false, it doesn't matter what the others are, it will return false. And the all function, what does it do? The all function tests either of the conditions. So if both of them are true, then it will return true. If one is true, then it will return true. But if both are false, it will return false. So it tests either of the conditions. So now, having understood that, what we want to do is we are going to say if function, and the if function, inside the if, we are going to put the AND. Now the AND, because we want to see that all the conditions are met, so we're going to say AND in open brackets, say this absolute variance, if that absolute variance is less than 0, then that's not good, comma, and the percentage variance is less than 0, it is not good, and worse still, if the department is finance or HR, so there is an other. It has to either be finance or HR, but that one also has to be true. So we put it inside the AND function as well. So we say this department in F2 needs to be equal to finance, meaning that finance is and HR, comma, and this department either finance or HR. Like so, we close the all function, then I close the AND function. Now I drop into the if function. So if at all this returns true, meaning that all these conditions are right, are true, if all these conditions are true and true that the variances are less than 0 and the department is either HR and finance, what I want is flag it as bad, comma, all other cases, flag it as good. I close my if function, I press my enter, autoplay comes into play, and it tells me that here both of these are less than 0 and the department is finance, either finance or HR. So these ones are flagged as bad. When I go to the next, you can see this is because the department is operations, irrespective of the fact whether these ones are zeros, are less than 0, it doesn't matter, it gives it as good. So this one looks okay, and I say, okay. So in just that one formula, I'm able to accomplish all these over 200 checks. However, if I was doing it manually, then I would spend a lot of time. So that is the benefit of understanding the formula and ensuring that you use it correctly. So I hope this has been helpful. And if so, and you want to subscribe, please subscribe if you have not yet. If you like this video, please like it, share, and give me your comments. Give me your challenge. I want to look at what is challenging you and see if I can be of help. Otherwise, thank you for watching and have a great day.